with the right leg. As we jump into the air, we scissor the legs into the Jete and land here. Again, straight leg, flip to a straight leg as well. You can land in a lunge as you're learning. Straight leg, flip to a straight leg, and a lunge. Straight leg, straight leg. Perfectly fine if it's low to the ground. It still looks beautiful. You go higher as you get those knees straight. There you go. And again. There we go. All right. Let's do the croisé version now. So I'll be facing this way. It's a little harder to see me. Just use your left foot to kick out toward the corner. And then the arms will come here. So you get a third arabesque lunge. We are kicking and, oops, turning, sorry. And kick, turn. Again, straight knees, kick, turn, nice and low to the ground. Kick, turn. Keeping the inner thighs close together. Let's do the other side. Start with our effacé. Extending the left leg. Okay, again. Extend the left leg. Up and over. There we go. And again. There we go. One more time. All right. Now we'll do croisé. We're going to kick the right leg toward the corner. And we flip. Land in our lunge. Here we go again. Right leg. And nice and straight. It's a Jete. Tour Jete. Turning Jete. So it's a Jete height to begin. 45 degrees. And nice and sharp. You never do a Jete like this. You have to be straight. So there we go. Straight. And straight with the other leg as well. So check on this leg now as you follow it up. Straight, still straight. You're kicking that one out into the air as straight as you can. You got this.